Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. This is the new video about the MG iSmart. So I'll show you all the steps that you need to do to download the app and also to connect your vehicle. So I won't show you the full tutorial for the MG iSmart, how to use everything. This is going to be done in another video once the update is being sorted. So at the moment, I'll show you how it's going to be able to connect. Alright, so first step we want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store, whichever the phone you have. So this is the iPhone, so this example is the App Store. So what we want to do, we want to click on the top and search MG iSmart. So sometimes it will pop up over here, otherwise you just keep typing. It will says MG iSmart AU and NZ. So click that phone for us. Now we can see the second one. We just need to download this app, which is already downloaded by me, so I'll download again. And that's going to take a short while. Once it's downloaded, whether you're on App Store or Google Store or anything like that, you just go to your home screen and simply click the MG iSmart down the bottom. And now we have the notification. It will ask you, do you want notification? You can press allow, and do you want the policy or gray? Obviously you have to gray that. Now we have to swipe left on the side. We can start over here. So now you can see how the app looks like on the main screen. So what we want, first thing we want to do, we want to click the top left and we want to register. So press register, and then we want to type all your information. So first one is your email address. Keep typing the email address, and once you finish, press the send button on the side. That allows us to allows the MG iSmart app to send you an email. Then you get the password, the verification code. So type the verification code. That's should be 6 digits in your email. After that, you want to create a password. So the password will be between 8 to 6 letters, including alphabets and numbers. Make sure you type that. After last one, we do need to confirm the password. Once it's all confirmed, make sure you tick the small box on the side. Register, basically agree to the conditions. Press register. That should finish, and then now we have to go back. And once you register, you don't need to do this step, but if you do have account already, you just press login and type all your addresses, everything. So I will do that. And now once we're on the home screen, we want to tap the MG on the top, so that you can add a vehicle. So press add vehicle over here. It will ask you, do you want to allow your cameras, everything? Obviously we want to allow. That means these will be ready for scan. What we want to do, we want to go into the screen and go to the system. So I'll show you from the beginning. If you're in the home screen, swipe left in the center, press the settings at the left bottom, and then you have to swipe these, goes all the way to the bottom to the bind vehicle, and click bind vehicle, and you want to click the top one, bind the vehicle, just like that. So now we want to go back to our phone, make sure it's all scheduled. There we go, it's created a binding vehicle information. So now we need to create a digital security code. Normally you can think it's normally 4 digits. Yes, so 4 digits. For example, this instance, I'll just do 1 2 3 4 and confirm that digits again, 1 2 3 4 and down. So that's all successful. So you will need to use those 4 digits when you want to use other features, including the central locking, including the AC, including the AC blowing, all that information. So make sure you remember that 4 digits. And then this is how the app looks like once it's connected. Again, I'll do another video to show you how everything works. And this is how to unbind the vehicle. So now you see the name on the top. I've named the vehicle as Abbott. So press the Abbott. You can see this vehicle I have bind with this account. You can swipe left or right to see other vehicles if you wish. And if you do wish to unbind, just press the unbind on the top. And press confirm unbind. Now you need to send a verification code again. And now you get a code. Press 68. Now just type the code. It's unbind already, so nothing in the thing. If you do want to rebind again, just press the MG and make sure you press add vehicle or press plus on the top. Then you can add another vehicle device if you wish.